क्योंकि आज जन्माष्टमी थी तो मैं सुबह जल्दी उठा और मैंने कई हफ्तों से पूजा नहीं की थी, तो आज मेरा सारा श्रद्धा भक्ति भाव उमड़ पड़ा। सो दिस इज़ आवर सरस्वती माँ टेम्पल विच वी हैड टू डेकोरेट टुडे so that we can celebrate Janmashtami, the birth of our Lord Krishna. We went earlier in the morning to SP Hostel in order to arrange some material to decorate the temple, Saraswati Ma temple, which I had shown you in my earlier videos. You can see the statue of our respected Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel in the model of Taj Mahal. उसके बाद हमने कुछ फूल इकट्ठे किए और उनकी पत्तियाँ तोड़ी, जो कि हमें उनसे फिर रंगोली बनानी थी। ये वेदांश है, ही इज़ वेरी गुड इन मेकिंग रंगोलीज। और ये पालकी जिसमें हम अपने कृष्ण भगवान जी को आज झुलाने वाले हैं। यही तो इसी में देख। क्या कर रहा है? ये हमारे सर हैं जो हमें एनाटॉमी पढ़ाते हैं। बीच में और ये रात का सीन आफ्टर द कंप्लीशन ऑफ डेकोरेशन। श्रद्धा से ओतप्रोत वातावरण। कृष्ण की भक्ति में समाये हुए मेरे मित्रगण। And today there was going to be a very special thing. We were going for our first hospital visit, and it was really a new experience for us. We were really excited, and let me tell you what we are going to do there. We will be given patients in groups of 4 or 5 students. So what we will have to do is, we will have to do observation, taking history, all the things which a doctor do. So basically it's like a training for us, which will be really helpful for us in our future profession. We are going to learn a lot of things today. So it will be a very memorable day for us, because it will be the first day where we will realize our profession. We will realize the importance of our profession. You can see there, we have entered the department. I didn't make too much videos here because of some restrictions. After observing the cases in this department, we sat down in an office to discuss our observations with our ma'am. This is our whole batch, A batch, you can see. And this is our experimental lab where we do experiments on frog, and these are some instruments. You can see wires, two kinds of wires, thin wire, thick wire, stimulating electrode, Du Bois-Reymond induction coil, DC source. We are supposed to learn the names of these devices along with in what experiments they are used. It is a physiograph, chymograph, low voltage DC source. And you can see my friends making circuit and explaining to each other. And we are discussing terminals of this Du Bois-Reymond induction coil. It is the Ringer's spot which is and it is tuning fork. After this lab, we went to our anatomy DH dissection hall, where we see very important thing today, our cerebrum and cerebellum, two very important parts of our central nervous system.
ये है हमारा एनाटॉमी डिपार्टमेंट का लेक्चर थिएटर, और इसी के बगल में है हमारा डायसेक्शन हॉल, जहाँ पर हम कैडेवर्स का डायसेक्शन करते हैं। यहाँ पर हम थ्योरी पढ़ के जाते हैं और फिर उसी चीज़ का डायसेक्शन करके देखते हैं, जिससे कि हमें वो याद रहे। आज हमने जो पढ़ा था वो था रिस्ट बोन्स, कार्पल बोन्स, जो कि 8 होती हैं, और हमने एक ट्रिक से उसे याद किया, शी लुक्स टू प्रेटी, ट्राई टू कैच हर, जिससे कि हमें बाय ऑर्डर वे याद हो जाती हैं। एंड यू कैन सी द डायग्राम ऑन द बोर्ड। तो दोस्तों, अभी हम बैठे हुए हैं लेक्चर थिएटर में। ये छोटा वाला है, इट्स नॉट द बिग वन। और अभी यहाँ पर ECE चल रहा है, अर्ली क्लिनिकल एक्सपोजर। इसमें क्या होता है, हमें एक केस दे दिया जाता है जिसके बारे में हम रिसर्च करके लेके आते हैं। उसमें जो भी सिम्टम्स आ रहे हैं, जो भी कॉजेज़ हैं उसकी फिजियोलॉजी, एनाटॉमी हम सब पढ़ करके आते हैं, सर्च करके आते हैं, और अगले दिन उसे प्रेजेंट करते हैं।
Motor weakness of the right side extremities, and grade 4 for the wrist extension and grade 2 for the elbow extension. Most probably this is because the injury is at below C6 level, and the grade 4 level is the normal for the wrist extension, and the nerve supply for here is by C6 and C7.
टिंडरवाल, अरे तिबरीवाल, प्लीज लुक एट मी। सेव दिखाओ, सेव तो दिखाओ। बस सेव नहीं दिखा रहा है।
The reflex activity increase the peristaltis, that decrease the intestinal transit time. More easily we pass the feces. And then I talk to solubility and viscosity. It is mainly provided by the soluble fiber. There is grinding, then increase, because there is not digested, we absorb water soluble.
And here sometime for eating, we usually bring something with ourselves to eat in between these long lectures, so that we can keep ourselves energetic whole day. Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all will be doing fine. If you don't know me, let me introduce myself. I am Abhishek Singh, first year MBBS student at KGMC. And let me tell you, today was my last terminal, so I got a little bit of time to work on this video and post this video. If you find my videos useful, if you can also think of subscribing to my channel. I will continue to post videos like it on whatever topics which interest me, which any kind of query you can ask me in the comment section box. So that's it. See you soon next time. Until then, stay healthy, stay happy, stay safe, stay connected. It's your boy Abhishek Singh.